Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader. English with little angel reader. Level 1, Lesson 14.
Hi, my name is Yellow Bear. What's your name? How old are you? How old are you, Max?
I'm 4.
4. You're learning to read. Actually, you're 4.5.
Let's read.
Hello, Max. Hello, children. Can you please read Brown Bear book for us?
Yeah.
Brown Bear, what do you see? I know you're such a good reader. Mwah. Please read the book for us. Yes. Yes, please, Max. Come on. We can play later.
Aww.
All right?
You're cute.
Mwah, I love you. All right, let's read the book together. Brown Bear,
Yeah,
Brown
Brown
Bear,
Bear,
what do you see? All right.
You're talk?
What?
You can't talk.
Yes, I can talk. Yeah. All right, and I can listen. I have ears. I'm ready to listen.
Oh.
Turn the page. Open the book. Open the book.
Oh.
We're waiting. Right.
Brown bear, what do you see? I see a bird. Oh. I see a red bird looking at me.
Red. Ask the red bird. Ask the red bird first.
Red bird, what do you see?
Mm-hmm.
Hey,
I am listening. Keep reading.
look.
Okay. Max,
They
keep reading.
have eyes, yes?
Yes, I have eyes.
I see a yellow duck looking at me.
Yellow like me.
Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me.
Blue.
Look,
Keep reading, Max. Keep reading. We can play later. Keep reading.
blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me.
Green.
Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me.
Purple.
Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me.
White.
That's white. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me.
Black.
Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me.
Goldfish.
Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me.
Teacher.
Teacher, teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me.
Children.
Children, children, what do you see?
Children.
We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see.
Amazing, Max. Amazing. You're such a good reader. You're such a good reader. Max, who is your teacher? Is Mommy your teacher?
Yes!
Yes, Mommy is your teacher. Oh, I love you, Max. How old are you?
4.
You're 4.5.
You're so cute.
Thank you. I love you. Mwah. You have so many toys up there.
Look, I have many toys.
Yeah, you have many toys. And you have many books, right?
Yeah.
And you are very fast and good, amazing reader. Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye. Brown bear, what do you see? I see a black dog looking at me. Black dog, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me.
Yellow duck. Yellow duck.
What do you see? I see a green frog looking at me.
Touch the froggy. Show us the froggy. Green frog. Green frog.
What do you see? I see a blue puppy looking at me.
Blue puppy, blue puppy. What do you see?
I see a white tiger looking at me.
White tiger, what do you see? I see Max looking at me. And blue puppy. Max, you're such a good reader. You're such a good reader. Give me the house, please. House.
Here you are.
Thank you. What color is that fish? Touch it.
Yellow and red.
Yellow and red. Can you find a yellow and red fish here? A yellow and red fish. Okay. Give me the apple, please. Apple.
Here you are.
Apple? Apple. What color is that fish?
It's yellow and green.
Yellow and green. Can you find the yellow and green fish here? Put the apple on the yellow and green fish.
Here.
Okay. Give me the car, please. Car. Vroom, vroom.
Here you are.
Thank you. Car. What color is this fish?
It's yellow and red.
Yellow and red. Okay. Can you find a yellow and red fish here?
Here you are.
Not here you are. Here. It's here.
Yeah.
Good job. Well done. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye. See you tomorrow. If you like my lessons, you can thank me here. PayPal, littleangelreader@gmail.com.
English with Little Angel Reader. Level 1, Lesson 14. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader.